different one. This is the second one. Okay. After your assessment's done. Okay, thank you. Okay, Casey? Yeah. There's only a 10 gram in here. 10 grams? We'll have to check the other one. So 1 gram ordered, 10 grams on here.
Okay. Milligrams?
Yeah, this is 10 grams.
10 grams, and then how many?
Calling for 1 gram.
So 1 gram, okay. So how many grams are in a milliliter for the 10?
Are we going to calculate it out?
If that's the only thing we have, then we're going to have to calculate it.
Okay. So divided by 10 would be 25 milliliters. Yep.
Okay. Sounds good.
Oh wait, there is a tree.
Okay. Call pharmacy.
This is the pharmacist.
Hi. There's only a 10 gram dose of vancomycin. Yeah.
Who is this?
This is Michael, student nurse at UA Bible. And the patient Hal Gunter. The medication sent up for him was 10 grams when his order is for 1 gram.
Oh.
And I get a different.
So the bag is labeled 10 grams?
It is labeled 10 grams.
Okay, yeah, I will get you a replacement.
Okay, what are the O2 stats with 2 liters?
He has not received this dose.
I don't really remember that. Yeah, I know all the nurses always ask me that. I'm not sure why, but yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so we're going to see how he tolerates the fluid.
Okay.
And if he tolerates
So
it well,
we need to write.
he can go home.
He was given 10 grams of vancomycin before. Okay. And we need. Doctor needs to be called again.
Did he get his own medicine?
He just got too much.
Is that bad? Could he die from?
It's a small medical error, and we're gonna call the doctor and make sure everything's okay.
Okay. Hi, Hal.
Go ahead and call the doctor and tell him that 10 grams of vancomycin was administered. It wasn't us who did it, so whoever was on the ship.
A bag of 10 grams was hanging.
Hey, nurse, why do they keep talking about that medicine I keep getting? Is it really wrong?
You have the correct medication. You have a different dose in this order.
Am I gonna die?
So, yeah, what does that mean? What does
It means that we're going to
do?
call the doctor and ask him what to do. Okay.
All right. Well, is he gonna be okay?
There's no way I could tell you for sure, but we are going to call the doctor and make sure everything we do right now is safe and accurate. Okay.
All right.
Here, Mike. Use that. One of my patients, Hal Gunter, we found a IV bag hanging, and it was for 10 grams of vancomycin.
Oh yeah, I brought you up a new bag for that.
Yes, yes. But the problem is we found that 10 gram bag there, and it was completely empty. I'm just wondering, what reaction, or is there any reactions or adverse effects I should be worried about?
Oh, absolutely. Vancomycin is a very powerful medication, and it can affect the kidneys and hearing, and also have a lot of side effects.
He's been sending up 10 grams of vancomycin instead of 1.
Yeah.
And either they didn't check lab rights, or they've been doing the calculations. Either way, it's misleading to the other nurses. So yeah, I think. So
see, that's what
then we
But
found
you
that.
didn't administer it, did
No,
you?
he didn't.
I called the pharmacy before I went in the room. It's like we have 10 grams here. They just gave us 1. And I went in the room and it's like they're 10 grams hanging. Oh my goodness.
See, that's
So
that's why I handed him his med.
when we found that out in the room, Michael, I want you to tell me how you felt when you had to address it with the family member.
It felt horrible. I didn't really feel adequate, I guess, because if you do something wrong, or if somebody else does something wrong, and you're taking the blame for it, you take the heat. It's not like you just, oh, it was somebody else. You don't do that. You just say, this person got this. This is what happened.
I was listening to that though, and the way you handled it was, I mean, you were a grown up about it. I can't tell you for sure. I can look up the information for you and find out. So I mean, more power to you, dude, because that is a very intimidating and scary thing.
Did you feel like you you had the amount of courage you needed to.
I just did it.
It's
Oh
so
my
hard
gosh.
to not. To like,
Honest.
well, actually, and you know, like
Yeah.
just
Well,
stutter, get
so
nervous.
that brings up a good point, Gabby. What do we say in front of a patient, family member, and a patient
You would inform them that
from a
there's been
legal
medication
perspective?
Mhm.
We can't tell them it's going to be okay. We can't tell them they're going to be safe and all right and just dandy and flowers.
Yep.
So let me throw this at you. Do we really know that it's too high of a dose right now?